Okay, ulit. Baba ng konti, below the waist ang kuha ng bola. Yan. Okay na. Trial game ha. Yung short natin, diagonal, left na. Sige. Alright. Very good.
Wait,
Out.
sorry.
Okay lang. Kabila na, kasi 1-0. Nakascore ako eh, di ba?
Tapos forehand pa rin?
Hindi, kahit saan. Wala problema.
Okay.
Hindi kasi 1, add na yung score ko. So dito ako sa left, no? Hindi, okay lang. Okay, ready ka kung saan ko ilalagay ito, ha?
Sige po.
Okay. Very good. Kapikit na. Nice!
Hey!
Very good, very good. So, so side out. You want the rally, you're serving. So, 0-1.
0-1.
0-1. Yeah.
Ako 1-0.
No, you're 0. I'm 1.
Okay.
0. Alright. Very good. Very nice.
Uy!
Manipis lang, manipis.
Sino naman?
So, I want the rally, side out. No, it's my ball. It's my side out. I'm serving.
Wala pa akong service to eh.
Hindi ka nag-ano eh. You did not beat me in the rally.
Ah!
Oh, so I have one score, so 1, then 0, 1-0.
Okay.
Okay, again, backhand. Early preparation, ulit. Backhand. Early. Manipis. Ulit, replay. Yung early ha.
Can I start here?
Yeah, it's okay. Yung pataas, doon yung letter C. On its way up, that's when you hit the ball.
Okay.
Ha? And yung opposite shoulder finish. Okay. Ready? Ready. Very nice. Spin. Went in. Oh, very good. Pasok pa rin. Very nice.
Uy!
Yun lang. Okay.
Wala top spin.
So, again, it's 2, no? Okay, I'll give you forehand. Forehand. Oh, pasok pa rin. Oh. Yeah. Very good. Okay. Walang yan.
Meron mo lang bola mo. Isa bola.
Sige, kuha ka lang. Ulit. Parang 3 na ata, 3 na. Okay. Backhand ulit. Practice ay backhand. Good. Again, backhand. Nice. Very good, very good.
Pwede ba yung shot na yun?
Kuya, na po kami. Hi, okay. So, sa hula, nag-smash ka.
Bawal.
Hindi.
Kasi umapa.
Yung momentum mo, hindi, ito okay. Parang hindi ka nag-step naman. Yung momentum mo, hindi ka pwede kumapa.
Yeah. Bawal ka i-carry over na momentum mo, diba?
So, okay. You want the rally? 0-3. Serve ba? 0-3. Okay. Very good. Yan, laging gitna. Very nice. Okay. Yan, 1-3.
1-3.
Okay, 4 high. Okay. 1-3. Nice. Very good. Alright. Good, good, good. 2-3.
2-3.
Lagi kang gitna. Para...
Ay, ito sir. Ako rin
Para
si
gitna
sir.
gitna. Oh, okay.
Hanggang hindi ako natatalo, service ko lagi.
Manalo mo eh.
Okay.
So you won. So you have another chance to score.
Okay.
Oh, so 2-3.
2-3.
Okay.
2-3.
Sige. Alright. Nice. Okay. Good, good.
Bakit?
Medyo...
Bola, hindi mo sila tirahin. Taas na.
Sobra yung top spin mo. Kulang sa forward push.
Wala sa push. Dapat nila.
Kulang sa forward push. So, 3-2.
Uy!
Okay na, okay na. Oh, 4-2. Very nice. Bakal. Good. Nice.
Uy, pasukin!
Hey.
Ay!
Okay.
Sa madalim dun eh.
Okay.
Sa madalim dun.
Ah. So, it's 5-3. Okay. 5 kasi 5 ako, I'll be serving dito sa left side, sa ad court.
Pag-add.
Oh, add eh. Okay. Oh, 5-3. Very good.
Sorry.
Over na. Very nice.
Sorry.
Okay. 6-3. Out. 3. Forward. Good.
Oy!
Very nice.
6-3.
So it's your score. 3-6. Oh. Very good. 3-6. 3 ka. Oh, serving on the left. Nice. Go.
Uy! Grabe yun ah. Baba na na.
Ayan lang.
6-3.
6-3. Okay, again. Very good. Nice. Uy. Very good. Nice.
Oy! Pasok yun ah.
Okay.
7-3.
Pasok pa rin. 7-3.
Stop.
Okay. 100. Very good. Oh, punta ka sa gitna. Para... Kasi malaki yung ano mo eh. Pag wala ka sa gitna, malaki yung space mo rito. Hindi ako magbibigay. Oh, 8-3. Oh, yan. Ayun. Ayun lang. Oh.
Taas ng tira ko eh.
Line
Kaya
three.
nabalik ko eh.
May space eh. Okay, line 3. Alright. Good. Very nice. Very nice. Good. Another top spin. Top
Oy!
spin. Yeah, sayang.
Ba't ganun? Tama naman yung tunog ah.
Kulang
10-3.
sa...
Hanggang 10 lang no?
The 11.
Alas.
Kulang, mali pa yung timing.
Bravo.
Medyo kulang pa ng ano eh, ng upward scrape. Hindi mo siya na scrape upward. Kulang. So syempre pag pagkatapos na yan, ibig sabihin, it has to cross the net first. Pag mababa, ano ka, parang adjust ka ng increase top spin para tumaas muna. Okay. Ah, 10, 3. Okay. Very good. Oh, gitna, yan. Right, the backhand. Backhand ulit. Very good yan. Nakuha mo na. Oh, yes. Oh. Very good. Oh. Very good. Very nice. Oh!
Oy!
Wow! Good, good, good.
9 ball.
9 ball. 3. 3-10. Very good, very good.
Ano makabawi?
Nice lang.
Nakapag pa lang.
Oh, 3-10. Good. Oh, kulang ka ron.
Ay!
Okay.
Ay!
Para mababa na. Okay. 10-3. Love the top spin. Nice one.
Top spin yun.
Top spin. Good, good. So 310. Alright. Good. 310. Very nice.
Oy!
Alright. 11. Good game, good game. That back. Walang yung mga ginagawa mo, ginagawa sa mga first timers yun. Yung may top spin, na nakakipart ka ng top spin, ba nakikita mo? Nakuha mo kagad.